Welcome to Market Makers. To get started, open Chrome and in the URL section, type marketmakers.cloud and hit enter. Once the website loads, you'll land on the Market Makers homepage. In the header section, you'll find multiple pages that showcase the different tools and services the platform offers. If you scroll further down, you'll discover even more features designed to simplify your overall trading workflow. Now, if you're ready to join the platform, simply click on the Launch Terminal button. If you're new to Market Makers, you can create your account using your Google account, Microsoft account, or by clicking on Register Today and signing up using your email and password. Once you successfully sign in, you'll reach your account page. From here, you can securely connect your preferred broker to start using the platform. We already have a dedicated video on how to connect your broker with Market Makers, so make sure to check that out on the channel. After your broker connection is completed, you'll gain access to different sections like Dashboard, Futures Desk, Options Desk, Market Desk, Fundamentals, and Charts. Now let's quickly explore each one individually. Starting with the dashboard. The dashboard provides near real-time market insights and helps users stay aligned with current market conditions. Next is the Futures Desk. As the name suggests, this section is focused on futures trading and contains tools that help traders analyze derivative contracts efficiently. Then comes the Options Desk. Here you'll find tools like Option Chain, OI Decoded, Strategy Builder, and much more, all organized in one place so you don't have to constantly juggle between multiple websites. Next is Market Desk. This section contains a wide range of tools that help users understand market movement and overall market behavior. You'll also find economic calendars, holiday calendars, and built-in financial calculators for returns, SIPs, EMIs, SWP, STP, and more. Since the platform contains a large number of features, we also provide the ability to star mark your favorite pages. Once a page is starred, you can quickly access it from the search section beside the navigation area. You can also directly search for pages or stocks using the global search tool available at the top. But Market Makers is not just an all-in-one analysis platform, it's also a community. You can search for other users, follow them, and communicate with them directly inside the platform. Users can also share their market ideas, opinions, and analysis. You can explore these from the Ideas section and also see what other traders are posting. There's also a dedicated fundamentals page that provides important fundamental insights for stocks that investors may want to analyze. And finally, the charts section. Market Makers is powered by TradingView, which means you get a familiar and professional charting experience with features like replay mode, multiple layouts, advanced charting tools, and much more. Hope you liked this walkthrough. Comment below and let us know which feature you want us to explore in detail in the next video.